Every MLS listing has a status which communicates to other members what the status of the listing agreement or the contract is. Today we are going to talk about the active under contract status on MLS listings. You can find the official definitions of any MLS status, including active under contract, by going to elpasotx.com, hovering over the GEPAR MLS menu item, and clicking on Listing Status Definitions. The active under contract status was implemented in 2025 when the active with contingency and pending accepting offer statuses were merged to a more standardized status. Active under contract is used to communicate to other members that your listing is under contract but is still on the market for showings and offers. Because these listings are on the market, they continue to accrue days on market. Let's look at the most common use cases of the active under contract status. When your listing goes under contract and the buyer has an option period, it is common that the seller wants their broker to continue to market and show the property in case the buyer terminates. In this case, the listing member would move the listing to active under contract instead of pending. Once the seller no longer wants the property marketed or shown, the listing member can then move the listing from active under contract to pending until the listing closes. Another common case is when an appraisal comes back low and buyer and seller need to negotiate on specifics. Sometimes the seller will want the property back on the market prior to the contract being officially terminated. In this case, the listing member can move the listing from pending to active under contract since the seller now wants the property marketed and to allow showings and backup offers. As you can see, the criteria to use active under contract is simple. 1. Your listing is under contract. 2. Your listing is accepting showings and backup offers. If your listing is under contract and you are no longer accepting showings, the listing should be moved to pending in order to communicate to other members that it is not currently accepting showings. Let us know in the comments what kind of situation you have had where the active under contract status applied. Questions about the active under contract status or anything else related to the MLS? Contact your MLS department at mlssupport@gepar.org or call 915-779-3521 option 3.